In this episode, Zach loses his front brakes.
I'm caught under that fork.
I get passed a lot. I fall, and Taddy Blazujak gets lost in the straight rhythm section. Today is Saturday. It's amateur race day at TKO, and I am lining up for race 2.
I finished 9th this morning.
What?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Oh yeah.
Well, I'm glad that I start with people that I know. I'm 8.
Goodbye, friend. Nothing like a mix-up a minute before the race, but it's okay. I got Mitch next to me, so at least there's somebody that I know.
You did?
That's good, yeah.
And we're off. I got pre-qualified into the second race at TKO through the AMA Extreme Championship. I'm a C-class rider, and I was surrounded by A-class and B-class riders that are way better than me, which meant that my race pretty much looked like this. And a roost to rub in how slow I am. My riding style is slow in the fast stuff and a little less slow in the rough stuff. Did you see that arrow? I saw it. It was a little too late though. I thought I was going the wrong way, but then when I saw people coming towards me, I knew I was going the wrong way. I think I'm back on track, but in the back of my head, I'm thinking, am I going the right way? Parts of this trail just look so similar, and it's kind of hard to tell if you've been in this spot before. I started seeing the mile marker signs go up, which meant that I had to be going the right way. At these hard enduros, there's always something that spices things up. At TKO, for me, it was yellow jackets.
I feel like something bit me on the back.
I start seeing signs of civilization. This must be a good thing. Or is it? Wherever there's a crowd, there must be some Gnar. At last dog standing, I had doubt whether or not I could make it up a hill in front of a crowd, and I almost didn't make it. I wasn't going to make the same mistake at TKO. I put myself in a positive mindset and went hammer down. A little bit of help from Spence Wilton on line choice, and I was back on track. So by now, we know the formula. More crowds equals more Gnar. More crowds equals more Gnar. Another hill climb. But here it is. Feet on pegs. Look through it, not to it. Momentum. Pin it, and you'll make it up. I'm pretty stoked on making a couple passes. It's a small victory, and it puts me in a better mindset. However, I used a bit of energy, and I made a mistake. So those passes that I made, gone. On the bright side, I have some time to get rid of the vine that's been lashing at my back every time the wheel spins.
That's staying.
And then this happens.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Other than that, I'm good. Just the front end and I can pull my leg out, I think.
Oh yeah, which way do you want me to? Are you stuck?
I'm caught under that fork.
Is that? Are you good?
Let me see if I can. Oh, no front brake is freaking. Appreciate you guys. I'll be here for the rest of the day. Right, man?
Oh, sorry, dude.
Every hand we can get is gonna help. We can just get it up to there. You guys are lifesavers. Honestly, you're talking. I would have been there forever.
1, 2, 3.
My watch says an hour and
I'm glad more people stopped to help. We were all exhausted and we had 5 miles left in the race. When it comes to trail karma, it's definitely on our side.
I appreciate it, man.
Got you, dude.
Hard enduros are all about the long haul. You don't know when somebody's going to run out of energy, or maybe it's fuel, a mechanical failure, or they just straight up quit. If you keep going, you'll get out ahead.
Holy cow. This is exhausting.
Starting to get some flashbacks from race number 1. Nice and easy, don't make mistakes, and you'll be fine. Free at last.
Oh, wow! A lot of fast sections, a lot of rocks. Finished TKO. I'm excited, I'm beat. It was a lot of fun.
With the amateur races wrapped up, everybody came together to spectate the pros race the straight rhythm section. So what is the straight rhythm all about?
We got some straight rhythm going on, so 16 racers, bracket style, swapping between the two different tracks, all the way down, turn around inside the little lane, and then boom, make your way back. But so far, pretty dang intense, and some of the guys you thought would win have not been winning.
I was able to catch up with Rich Larson and let him know about my thoughts on the JX8 IRC tire.
How'd we do today, bro?
I think we did all right.
We got her done?
We finished the lap.
KDX held up?
KDX held up.
Bro, I gotta get me one of those. I think those are the ticket out here.
Yeah, right?
Why is the KDX the ticket out there at TKO? It's because of this man, Mr. Jordan Ashburn. Last year, he took his dad's KDX 220, and he was just shy of finishing top 10 in the main event. He was a fan favorite, and he showed that even a 22-year-old bike is capable of racing hard enduro.
How's about the JX8? How'd it go?
Oh, dude, the JX8 hooks. I love the JX8.
There we go.
I wish I used it earlier on.
That's what I'm talking about.
It's an awesome tire.
Right on, man. I love it.
And here are some shout-outs from the straight rhythm podium finishers.
It's pretty technical. You're riding these bikes that are super soft and you're trying to jump off the logs and stuff. It gets a little squirrely, but it's a lot of fun. I'm happy they included us women in it now. It was a good time.
A lot of fun after racing this morning and then coming and doing this, and it's a good warm-up for Endurocross as well. So I was really stoked that we were able to race this as well.
No, I'd just like to thank everyone for coming out. You know, it's we never really get to race in the USA, so I was here, I think it was 5 years ago, so it's cool to come back, and I hope we can come back and race more.
It was good fun, you know. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was good, you know, to like break a sweat, you know, before tomorrow.
We tried our best to put on a show, and hopefully you all enjoyed it. And it was nice to be out here racing. Obviously, I enjoy super enduro cross format and stuff. We haven't done it too much this year, so it's nice to be on this kind of track. Would have preferred the proper bike, but we just had to make the most of it and full send on what we had.
In the next episode, I find a phone.
Found a phone.
Matt tells us why I do dirt
That's why
bikes.
Adam likes to do dirt bikes.
Josh shows us where the good stuff is. Alright, so the good stuff is up there. Highlights from Sunday's race. And I get a mysterious package. If you chuckled at any part of this video, tap the like button. If you like Carnage and Gnar, check out the AMA Extreme Championship playlist.
My bike!
More to come, make sure to subscribe.